Hey guys, today is the part 3 of the shop. So let's get to it. So now I'm going to show you how you can buy stuff with in-game currency. So get the gravity coil, which is what thing we can use. You can actually change it. Hit starter pack, no. You can change which one you want. Alright, gravity coil, and put that in replicated storage. Now we're going to get our frame rate and insert a text button. Right? And you're just going to want to type gravity coil 70 cash. Right? Now we're going to insert a local script and type this script in. I'll paste that in, and this script is going to be in the description, so don't worry guys, it will be in the description. So it's player equals game.Players.LocalPlayer, which is basically saying which player it is. Script on parent on mouse button one click is just teaching us like when you push it down, so it knows when to function and function the script. And then it's saying if you have above 70 cash, then you will get the gravity coil and you will lose 70 cash. So let's test it out, guys. Let's hit home. Oh wait, let's hit play, and we're about to play the new and improved shop that we have just made. And by the way, shout out to Ute on YouTube. He actually gave us this idea to get to make it for in-game currency and like item shop. All right. So, for example, when I hit gravity coil, it doesn't give it to me because I don't have enough money, right? But so now I'm just gonna do the 1,000 cash buy thing, right? I told you about. And now when I click on it, my cash goes down and I get a gravity coil. Yay! Whoop 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 whoop. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it was helpful. And Ute, I hope you enjoyed this. Especially Ute, because Ute was he told me to do this, to do the in-game currency thing. And yeah, thank you so much, Ute, for the idea. I wouldn't have been able to do it if you didn't tell me what to do. So yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, you can just keep spamming by gravity coil. So yeah, bye!